I just got ready. This is my outfit. Crop, black sweater, and I just have dark camel color blouse underneath with a knitted skirt. I'll probably wear some loafers. So yeah. It is currently not even 6 yet. Dinner's not for a little bit and I'm a little hungry. So my bestie baked some really amazing cookies. I had 3 yesterday, but you know what? I went to the gym today, so I'm gonna treat myself to the matcha shortbread. And it's like, look at this, look at this. It's so soft and so good. I think I am more of a dessert girly now. After all the cafes and stuff, I definitely like certain desserts. Not desserts that are really sweet or rich. I am still not huge on like a ton of chocolate, but this is so good. Today is Juno's birthday and we are celebrating with some egg, chicken, broccoli breakfast. Currently walking to the Christmas market. So I'm at my friend's booth and look at how cute these are. Oh my god, they're so cute. Okay. I just came back from the little mini market that was at the District Beltline. So I got these holiday and Pokemon themed cookies. Also got these 2, so cute. Couldn't resist. They had the Christmas Hello Kitty ones, and then there's a big Hello Kitty one here too. Here is her Instagram. Be sure to check it out, and you can always get custom cookies as well. I've just been chilling at home. I have 2 really good friends coming over and I'm so excited to see them. It's actually been a hot minute. We're just gonna enjoy some mochi donuts, have some bubble tea, and just catch up. I got my mochi donuts. I'm just gonna plate them. Short people problems. Need my step stool. Okay, let's see these donuts. I have the tiramisu, ube, and pistachio mochi donuts. I'm gonna prep my salad. I just did good old Costco because I've been so busy that I just figured it'll be less stressful for me. I have the salad ready. I just put the dressing on the side. It is Christmas Eve and I have my parents over for hot pot. It is such an Asian thing to do hot pot for the holidays, but it's like so comforting because it's wintertime. I think most people don't like doing hot pot at home. Most people don't like doing hot pot at home because they don't like the prep, but I honestly don't mind it. All right, starting off, we have some mushrooms. More veggies because you can never have enough veggies. Actually, I really like eating veggies for hot pot. When you're eating red meat, I find that like I can't eat too much of it. So I'm gonna wash these as well. To prep the meat. I know people generally will just open it and serve it like this, but I am 100% the type of person that likes to have everything plated nicely. So this is usually the soup base that I like to get. And I really like this because obviously you don't have to use the full thing. I find that I can at least get 2 hot pot meals out of it. So my friends handpicked and made this basket. I am so obsessed. Literally, this basket is like everything I love. There's Hello Kitty shot glasses. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. A noodle bowl, and this is Christmas themed. I have a Shin ramen because I do love my Shin ramen. And there's a bottle of soju. Honestly, this is happiness in a basket. This one is from another friend of mine. Because I always use ice packs to depuff my face, she actually got me one of these to replace that. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's Totoro, and it's a puzzle, which I absolutely love. I am so going to do this, like probably tomorrow. Merry Christmas, everyone. I just opened up my gift, and you know what? I think this is very fitting for me to use this gift and make some instant noodles. I'm gonna eat one of my favorite instant noodles. This is a Shin ramen, and I'm gonna eat it in my new bowl. Okay. Okay. Hey everyone, I just got ready. It is New Year's Eve and I am hosting New Year's Eve. Let's say goodbye to 2024 and welcome a beautiful 2025. So I put up a little bit of decorations for the New Year's party, and I'm gonna set up all the snacks. Some of my friends are bringing snacks as well, so I'm gonna place them all here.